Hello and welcome back to my YouTube channel Astromythal. Today I am going to make a video on the good and bad planets in Taurus Ascendant. So I hope you watched my previous video. I made the video on in an Aries Ascendant and now I am going to another video on Taurus Ascendant. Thank you once again and would request you to subscribe my channel after the end of this video. So this is the chart of the Taurus Ascendant. If you see here the number, it starts from 2. In an Aries Ascendant the number starts from 1 and now the number starts from 2. So similarly anti-clockwise if we go, then it will go for like this 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and it goes to 1. So this is the Taurus Ascendant chart. Taurus is having the number 2 in the zodiac we say that zodiac series. So second number of zodiac sign is ascendant, and lord of the Taurus is Venus. So first of all we will say that Venus is the ascendant lord and Venus is the lord of the first and sixth house. So if we see that this house and this house, this is Libra, this is Taurus, so Venus is having lordship of these both houses. So because these are the trig bhavs, 6th, 8th and 12th. So that's why we can say that Venus will not give the results of this house and Venus will give the results of this house only. So Venus is being considered as an auspicious planet in the Taurus Ascendant. Now let's come to Mercury. So if we talk about Mercury, Mercury has the lordship of two houses. This is the second house, this is the mostly the income house, and this is also a neutral house, and also this is fifth house, this is known for education house. So Mercury is having lordship of these two houses, neutral and trine house. This is first, fifth and ninth houses are the trine houses. So Mercury is having lordship of the trine house. So we say that Mercury is very auspicious planet. Mercury will be beneficial in terms of education. Mercury is beneficial in terms of children. So we can say that Mercury is an auspicious planet, and if we talk about income, yeah, this is also neutral house, so Mercury will give very auspicious results. Now let's talk about Moon. So Moon is having lordship of this house. This is the third house, and third house is related to courage, to brothers and sisters. So Moon can be auspicious, can be inauspicious. We can say it depends on the power of the Moon. Now let's come to the Sun. So Sun is having lordship of the fourth house. This is the fourth house. So Sun is in this house is good. In this house good, but Venus, if we see that the lord of the ascendant house, lord of the ascendant is Venus. So Venus will not delegate much powers to Sun. So in that scenario, we can say that Sun will not give good results, because the lord of the ascendant is actually enemy of Sun, as we know that I have taught you in the previous videos that about the friendships. I will write down the that video link in the comment section so that you can watch those as well. So Venus will not delegate much power to Sun. So that's why we can say that Sun will provide mixed effects like Moon, similar with Sun. Now let's talk about Mars. So Mars is having lordship of the 12th house and also having the lordship of the 7th house. 12th house and 7th house. 12th house is the house of expenses, is the most inauspicious house, and also the 7th house. 7th house is the Kendra house. So Mars can be a cause of the accident, and Mars can be a cause of losses and spending, and also diseases. So Mars is the in general terms I can say that Mars is not a good planet in this chart, because of the house of the 12th lord. So because it is the lord of the 12th house. So Mars, but because it is also lord of the Kendra house, so it will provide blended results, because 7th house is known for your partner and also for business, so it will give the blended results. It depends on the chart with which planet the Mars is having conjunction aspect, and that accordingly we will predict. Now let's talk about Jupiter. So Jupiter is the lord of the 8th and 11th house. So this is the 8th house and this is the 11th house. So Jupiter is having lordship of this house and also the 11th house. So 8th house is in the middle of the trig bhav, like similarly like 1, 5, 9 Ninth is the most auspicious planet in an auspicious house in terms of trines, and eighth house is being termed as a middle house. Yeah? So Jupiter is having lordship of this house and this house, and these houses are basically termed as inauspicious houses. So we will say that Jupiter is the most inauspicious planet because of the lordship of the eighth house. Jupiter will not provide good results in this Taurus ascendant chart. Now let's talk about Saturn. So Saturn is having lordship of the trine house. So this is the best house in trine. So we can say that Saturn is having the lordship because of this lordship, because of having lordship of this most auspicious house, ninth house. Saturn is the most auspicious planet. That luck factor is always with the karma factor. So Saturn is the most auspicious planet in this chart, in the Taurus ascendant chart. It actually forms a Yog Karak. It is actually a Yog Karak planet in the Taurus ascendant chart. So I think you have understood the placement of the houses, the placement of the planets in different houses, and this is what I am telling you is in general form, is in general language. And in my as I continue with making videos on more and more topics, I will elaborate more and more about the meaning of these houses in detail. And so I think you got an idea about the good and bad planets in a Taurus ascendant. Do like and subscribe, and write down your comments so that I can make another video on another topic as per your request, and also clarify your doubts. So thank you so much for watching. Till then, goodbye.